Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy food, do regular yoga. Today I will be explaining about why we should do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So first of all, why we have to do Pranayama? So Pranayama is one of the part of yogic practices because Prana means breath. Yama means control. So think of our human body. Without breathing, our body is just a muscle. It's a heap of muscles, right? So our breathing air which is moving inside our body makes us to move forward, okay, which makes us to do all the daily routine works. So we have to control our breath, okay. Pranayama will help to control our breathing, okay. So that our body and mind will be in control. Today I will be explaining the importance, science behind the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So what is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama? Cleansing the nadis. Actually, in human body, there are 72,000 nadis in human body. So nadis are nothing but energy channels. So our spine is giving structure to our body. So all the energy channels, that is these nadis, are connected to the spine. There are basically 3 nadis are very important, okay. So all other 72,000 nadis are originating, branching out from these basic nadis. So what are the basic 3 nadis, important nadis? Ida Nadi, Pingala Nadi and Sushumna Nadi. So Ida means left, okay. So Ida Nadi, which is nothing but our left nostril, okay. So it is connected with our left nostril, okay, which activates our right side brain, okay, right side hemisphere of our brain, okay, which controls our emotions, okay. And right nostril is Pingala Nadi, okay. Pingala Nadi activates your left side of your brain, okay. If there is any blockages, if these 2 basic nadis are not functioning properly, you will be getting into many diseases. Balancing these 2 nadis will energize other nadis as well. That's why this alternate nostril breathing or Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama will keep your both the nadis in a balanced level. If these both nadis are balanced, even Sushumna Nadi will be in a balance, okay, so that all other channels will be energized properly. That's why we should do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama daily. What are all the benefits of this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama? The first main benefit is it calms down your mind. It releases all the accumulated stress from your body, okay, and it keeps your blood pressure in a normal level, okay. Those who are depressed, okay, every day they can practice this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, okay. And many other techniques are also available, but for those practices there are some limitations, but for this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama there are no limitations. Everyone can do this practice because it keeps your mind calm, it completely gives you positivity. Always you have to use your right hand, okay, right palm, for closing your nostrils, and make sure that you are sitting straight throughout the pranayama practice. You have to sit straight, is then only all the energy will pass from your Sahasrari, that is crown chakra, till your Mooladhara chakra. There are totally 7 chakras in our body. All these chakras will be activated if you do proper pranayama, okay. So Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama you can do for 5 to 10 minutes also, or you can do for 9 rounds or 11 rounds. So whichever is comfortable for you, you can do. Mainly those who are not getting sleep in the night, before going to bed, you can do this practice so that you will get a sound sleep, okay. Also, if you are more stressed also, sit in a quiet comfortable place and do this pranayama, this Nadi Shuddhi, for 11 rounds or 15 rounds. Instantly you will get some calmness in your mind, okay. It releases all the stress. Why I am insisting on stress is because stress plays major role in all diseases, okay. If the stress level is more, automatically generation of cortisol hormone will increase. It will lead to some other diseases like diabetic and blood pressure. Okay, it increases blood pressure, kidney problems. So every day, if you make a habit of this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama for 5 to 10 minutes, definitely you will come out of stress and it will give you calmness. So I will show you how to do that practice now. So keep your left hand in Chin Mudra, that is touch your thumb and index finger, okay, and keep it on your left thigh and palm facing the roof. Now use your right hand, okay, use your right hand for closing the nostrils. Okay, so how to do that? So you have to inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right. Again inhale through right and exhale through left. It makes one round. So I'll show you. So this makes one round, okay. This it will balance your both the nadis, that is Ida Nadi and Pingala Nadi. Okay, suppose if there is any blockage in Ida Nadi, you will be sluggish always and there will be problem in digestion and your nose will be always blocked. Okay, so these are all the problems if you have if you have any blocks in your Ida Nadi. Okay, and suppose if you have any block in your Pingala Nadi, so you will feel heat, you can feel the heat in your body and you will get angry often. Okay, so your temper will increase, you will be short tempered. Okay, so these are all the problems you will face. So it's very important to keep both the nadis in balance. So that's why I am insisting on doing this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama regularly and live a life without any stress. If you find this video useful, share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.